Hey, in this video, I will show you how to create multiple Craigslist ads fast and easy. Go to the Accounts tab. Before adding the Craigslist account, go to Email Servers tab. Click plus button on the left. Add an email domain. You can input manually or click a domain name on the right. You will get a preset. Click OK. Now go to the Email Accounts tab. Input the username and password of your email. This email should correspond to your Craigslist account. Click OK. Then go to Craigslist Account tab. Add an account. Input the account info of your Craigslist. Input your email password here. Input your vendor and batch number. If you don't have one, you can leave it empty. If you want to select a region, you must input zip code here, or just leave it empty. Then go to Proxies tab. You can click plus to add a single proxy. Or click Import to import tons of proxies from a file. Select one and click Binding Fingerprint. Click Bind Fingerprint. The software will generate an IP location based on your proxy. You can pick everywhere on the map to change the info. Click OK and it will bind fingerprint. Back to Craigslist Accounts tab. Edit your account and add a proxy. Here you can validate your proxies. Click Start to check my account. This debug window will show the whole process. Finished. Next, click Settings button. These are some basic settings. SMS service is to help you auto-verify the phone number. Here have two methods. Select one of them if you have requirements. Here is to spam your ads. This is the most important part. If you are going to publish your ads in a different region, you have to input zip code here. Some already have zip code, some are not. If they are empty, input zip codes or you will unable to publish your ads in that region. Here you can add your payment cards. Here have 4 types. Next is how to publish your ads. Go to Advertisements tab. Click plus. Here add an ad name. Here input the title of your ad. This is description. Click Spam to use tools to spam your ad's content. You can also add multiple ads. Here are regions and categories. Click Save button. Go to Properties. Here input your product info. You only need to fill in one product. And click the Start button. Select the one you want to fill in, and fill them all in order. Here you can set posting schedule. These are some random settings. Add some pictures of your product. Here, click Fill automatically. Click OK. Click Publish button here to add a single ad to the queue. Or click Publish button here to add all ads to the queue. Go to Queue tab. Refresh table, click here. Then click Start button to publish your ads.